Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Chrome to a desktop. Let's make it happen in under 2 minutes. First things first, let's find Google Chrome if you're on Windows. Hit the Start menu and search for Google Chrome. If you're on a Mac, head over to Launchpad. Found it? Great. Now, simply drag the Chrome icon to a desktop. It's that easy. And now you have a Chrome shortcut right on your desktop. One click and you're browsing in no time. If you want even faster access, you can just pin it to your taskbar or dock. Now double click that shiny new Chrome shortcut and watch it open like magic. You're all set to browse in style. And there you go, your very own Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop. Easy, right? If this helped, give the like button a smash, subscribe for more awesome tips, and hit that bell so you never miss a trick. Thank you for watching and see you next time.